Please take out all the products and confirm that all the accessories are present. If you have a new door, please drill according to the hole template. If it is an old door, please confirm the dimensions according to the drilling template. You can adjust the length of the lock by rotating it according to the position of the door lock hole, and you can choose either 60 mm or 70 mm. Next, I will show you how to install the smart lock. First, let's confirm the direction of the lock cylinder, and then place it into the pre-drilled hole. Finally, secure it with screws, and the lock cylinder is installed. Reinforce the holes on the door frame to ensure they are safe, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing. Next, I will show you how to install the exterior assembly. Check that the rubber gasket is secured on the exterior assembly. Insert the exterior assembly onto the door, ensuring the tailpiece goes through the deadbolt latch set in the vertical position. Route the control wire through the door under the deadbolt latch set. Next, install the mounting plate. Install the 2 screw columns on the mounting plate, ensuring they are on the side with the rubber gasket. Carefully pass the control wire through the hole on the mounting plate. Finally, install the mounting plate onto the door and secure it with the mounting plate screws. Next, we will install the interior assembly. First, let's remove the button from the interior assembly. When installing the interior assembly, please ensure the knob switch is in the middle position, then carefully insert the control wire into the wire connector. Next, use the exterior assembly screws and interior assembly screws to secure the exterior assembly. Finally, use the rubber plug to cover the screw holes. Before installing the 4AA batteries, please ensure the door is in a closed position. After installing the batteries, the smart lock will begin to operate and automatically confirm the door's status.
Lock direction setting succeeded. Unlocked.
Finally, install the button, and the installation is complete.
Locked. Unlocked.